Hello guys, today we're gonna make Graham banana cake and we only need 4 ingredients. First is Nestle cream, and this is a Philippine cream. We only need 2 of it. And Indo milk, condensed milk, and some Graham and some crushed Grahams, and of course bananas. Bananas are really important. Now we're gonna make it. We need this bowl and spatula, and we're gonna open here the edges. Cut it, cut. Now we're gonna put it in. Whoa. We just have to put them all in. Whoa. Wow. And we're gonna press it a lot, and then we're gonna roll it. It's all coming out. Oof. What? Yes. Okay. Whoa, look, whoa. Look. Yes, it is a lot slippery. Yes. We'll have to open this. How do you open this actually? Now we got it opened. Now we're gonna put it in there. We shouldn't put all because it's kind of too sweet. It depends how sweet you want it to be. We're gonna put more. Okay, and then we're gonna mix this, and then, and then we're gonna taste it if it's gonna be too sweet or not. Or if we have to put more, we're gonna put more and mix it nicely. I think it's mixed, nice and mixed. Now we're going to taste it. Yes, I think it's really smooth now. Now we're gonna try it if it's too sweet. Boop. I think it's enough. Aww. Yeah, it's enough. It is enough. Yes, really enough. Okay, now we're going to open all these packets one by one. Whoa. There 2. Whoa. Last one. Whoa. That's good. Now next, I'm going to cut some bananas. These are Philippine bananas. Now we're gonna have to peel them. That's okay, yes, that's okay. Now we're going to cut it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna need a pan like this. Shouldn't be too thick or too thin like that. So this one's just right. Look. Now we're gonna cut some cream first with this spoon. 2, maybe like 3 spoons is enough. Let's see, and let's spread it nice and evenly. And next, we're gonna layer these biscuits. I'm gonna have to put it all over here, like this. And again here. Okay, now there are no space, so we're gonna have to cut these. Okay, this part, let's put it here. This one, here. Ooh, uncut. Okay, maybe this is enough. Now Now we're gonna put the cream. 1, 2, looks enough. Okay, we're gonna spread it a lot again. Now, the bananas. We're gonna have to put them all here. Like how we put the biscuits and cream. We're gonna have to put them all. 3, 4, 5. The cream. Plop. Plop. Okay, 2 spoons are enough. 2 big spoons, a little bit. Okay. Oh, no, not yet. Not yet, okay. Here. More. Now, again, the biscuits. I smooshed the banana a little. Now the cream. And spread again and again. This looks quite enough. Now the bananas again. Okay, now we don't have it. Lots of bananas. Now we're gonna have to cut more of these bananas because we have 2 more. Okay, we done almost half. Yes, half. Well, more than half. Now we're gonna fill these more and more. Now it's the almost last layer. We're gonna put the cream. There's a lot of cream still left. Whoa. Okay, this really totally maybe is enough. Spread, spread, spread. There we go. We're gonna put the biscuits again. Again, 1 and 2 and 3. Now we're gonna put the cream again. Well, really, I can't believe it. We're gonna have to put all. Whoa. Yikes. No, no, no. Don't spill. Yes, look too much, but now we're gonna put these smashed biscuits. Yeah, we're gonna pour these all in here so we could put it evenly. Whoa! Oh, I hate this. I hate it. Oh, it's all over the table. Oh man. Oh, we're going to clean it. It looks really, well, kind of like dusty. Ta-da! Now, this is the banana graham cake. Graham banana cake that we made. Now we're gonna have to put it in the refrigerator for like 1 whole night. And 1 day is okay too. So the cookies will absorb the cream and it will be softer tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to try this graham banana cake. So see you tomorrow. Okay now guys, 1 day has passed. Guys now, so please subscribe to my dad's channel and hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell and comments below if you want. So bye.